You're on board the news track. Cyclone Umphan tore into India, making landfall with all its might near the Sundarbans, near Kolkata. Heavy rains, gushing winds lashed the city of Kolkata. Kolkata airport has been shut. The extremely severe cyclonic storm started between Digha in West Bengal and Bangladesh's Hatia Island around 2:30 p.m. Administration evacuated 5 lakh people living close to the coast as gigantic tidal waves started coming crashing in. The storm also wreaked havoc in north coastal districts of Odisha, leaving behind a trail of destruction, flattening makeshift houses, uprooting power and communication lines. Balasore and Bhadrak districts were the worst affected. Nearly 1.6 lakh people were shifted from low-lying areas. I want to go across live at this time to Manogya Loiwal. She's in Digha, the area which was quite literally in the eye of the storm. Manogya, describe what you went through when the storm hit. How bad has the devastation been? What have you seen around you?
Well, Rahul, it's been 24 hours. It has been raining incessantly in all parts of South Bengal and especially in parts of Kolkata now, which is witnessing massive destruction with trees being uprooted in different parts and districts of the state. There have been more than 3 lakh people who've been evacuated, but the challenges would start from the next morning, that's tomorrow. All the day we saw winds blowing at a speed of more than 150 km per hour, and even now after the landfall, there is the velocity of wind seems to be increasing with every passing minute even now. This is expected to continue all night despite NDRF trying to ensure that all roads are cleared at the earliest wherever trees have fallen or have been uprooted. The biggest challenge are those tin sheds and kacha houses along the coastline which have been blown away by the waves and the wind in the same breath. There is massive damage that has taken place in parts of West Bengal and similarly on the coastal line of Odisha too.
Viewers, this report that Manogya filed when she was literally in the eye of the storm, just at the moment when Cyclone Umphan hit. Here it is.
In a few hours of landfall, Cyclone Umphan has caused devastation in several parts of West Bengal and parts of Odisha also. I'm here in Digha, a place where landfall took place around the area, including parts of South 24 Parganas, and the devastation is something what you see here. With trees being uprooted, many trees being uprooted on several roads, blocking the entire movement of vehicles, and also destruction that has been caused in various parts of the districts. Be it Digha, East Midnapur, West Midnapur, Kolkata has seen a lot of blockage of roads because of uprooting of trees in various parts of the city. Movement on the entire flyover has been blocked and stopped completely till further notice. Including that, there is waterlogging in various parts of the city and districts also, especially in parts of Haldia where a major impact has been seen, and with that NDRF working tirelessly to ensure that these arterial roads are opened at the earliest and so that normalcy returns as soon as possible. But for now and for next few hours, the entire area remains extremely crucial. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Digha, West Bengal for India Today.
Manogya Loiwal, stay safe. We'll keep coming back to you for more.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.